Behold the temple rising, the empire unified, the rhythm guide.
Everything is energy. Everything is frequency. And this frequency, it changes everything.
For too long, the true power of the fever grass and the root has been hidden. Witness now its resurgence.
From this sacred ground rises the fever grass and the root.
The prophecy is fulfilled. From the obsidian depths, the golden rose blooms again, signaling a new era. As foretold, the rose blooms again. The throne is set, the compass true. As I have promised, so too shall we achieve absolute stability in this realm.
Stability is not merely a wish. It is a command. It is the foundation of our future.
Look to the symbols of our unity. From this day forward, we are the living stones of this temple, bound by stability. Order must be maintained. I decree that stability shall be the guiding principle of this realm.
The signal fires, connecting all the lands, from Africa to America, lifting up your hands. One globe, one people, the future now begins. King sending the signal high. 100 generations, watch the new world rise. Africa, Asia, America, we unify.